Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am with Holly. So I'm on my Daddy Pig account and she is her Peppa Pig account, and also Lucy has a account as well, which is a mommy one, but she isn't online, so sadly she cannot be in the video for today. So Holly says hi. They say hi back. We are so sad that Lucy is missing it out because this is so much fun. And I am also on my other account, which is NO, and then those. I don't know how you explain it. And I'm on this account. I don't know how to do those little things, something like that. But yeah, go add me on this account as well, and also add Holly on both of her accounts, the Peppa Pig one as well. So I don't know why we're doing this. Okay, we're just being really weird and everything, and we thought, why not roleplay being a Peppa Pig family? Sadly, we do not have a George Peppa Pig, but one of us might have to be two characters. I'm not sure. Whenever Lucy comes online, we will have to decide. But yeah, do I look like Peppa Pig right now? Like, do I look like Daddy Pig? Yeah, so we're actually wearing like blue costumes because Peppa Pig is wearing a red costume and Daddy Pig always wears blue. I wish Lucy was online to do this. Haha, true. But yeah. Lucy, Holly loves you, and I love you too. So yeah. Oh wait, I found. I already found Lucy account. You know what? As I am Daddy Pig and Holly is my daughter, I should definitely friend her because she's my lovely princess daughter. Peppa Pig needs to learn that called me fat. Lucy! Oh gee, and by the way, that was a really cute dance. Yes, she accepted me as a best friend. Come on, yay! Let's do that dance. My room. Okay, go to her room. But yeah, Lucy, we wish you were here. Like, come on. We need you here because you are our BFF forever. Wow, Peppa Pig, my darling, you need to totally change that room. It is unacceptable. Unacceptable. I can't pronounce that word for a reason. I have no reason why I cannot pronounce that name, but whatever. I will learn. Like, it takes time. It takes time, children. Okay. Ew. What the hell? Peppa has no hair. You're breaking the rules. You're breaking the rules. You know what? She's cheering me up actually, so I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy. She's doing that dance, and it's really cute. So I'm gonna join in. It's beautiful. We are piggies, guys. So yeah, add me, add Holly, add Lucy. But yeah, I don't know why we are. Wow, she already has all those emojis, and I have seriously none. I'm so lonely. Lucy's not here. Oof, oof. that reminds me of... By the way, guys, if you're watching this, Holly and Lucy, thank you so much for being my friends. I actually have been friends with Lucy for like about a year, since 2017, and I think I have been friends with Holly about like half a year, 1 month, I have no idea. But yeah, me and Holly were friends a long time now. Actually, it's more than 1 month, and me and Holly were about friends like for a year. So yeah, both of you, you are one of my best friends ever. Roleplay time. Yay! Yeah, but both of you are my favorite friends. I just love spending time with you. You are so funny. Yes, Peppa? So yeah, right now we're role-playing like the Peppa Pig version, so I bet she's gonna be like, can I have a toy or something like that? Actually, Peppa Pig does not say that, but whatever. And actually on my other account as well. I am not Fat Peppa. That's what Daddy Pig says. And actually, yes, Peppa Pig says. I watched Peppa Pig when I watched Peppa Pig whenever I was like 7 or 8. But then, yeah, I did not watch it anymore. Yes, you are. I am not Peppa. Don't be silly. I am not fat at all. I can even stretch. But yeah. She has a sad face on right now, like, I am not Fat Peppa. Like, how dare you say that I am fat? I am totally not fat. No more cake. Cake? Where is the cake? Nummy, I want some cake. Oops. Totally, I do not like cakes in real life. I did not. I did not. Why do you have to lie all the time, Peppa? Peppa, I did not eat it. You little, maybe princess? I am not being rude. Did you guys think that I'm gonna be like, you little brat or something? Well, you are wrong, cause I wanted to say, you little munchkin, but I forgot how to spell munchkin. So I just said princess. Right. I think I should blame it on Lucy. Mommy ate it. She said Peppa should not have it. So she ate it. Yeah, sorry Lucy. I mean, Mommy Pig. But sadly, you're gonna get a lot in trouble. Oh wait, Holly is gonna watch this as well. Gasp. Yeah, you should believe it. Yay. Sorry, Lucy, but you're in a lot of trouble. If Holly does not find it. She's angry. Yep. We need payback. She ate our cake. It's sour. It's our... Oh. It's our cake. Okay. How dare she eat our cake? Not mine. No, mine. Don't be greedy, Peppa. Oh, fuck. Oh. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. As I'm not in school anymore, I forgot how to spell, sadly. Yes, yes, yes. You are being greedy. Sight. She is kicking me. Time out, Peppa. You know what? I'm kicking her back harder than I want to. Fights going on. Woo! How dare she hit? I'm a kick. Yeah. This is what you get, Peppa Pig. This is what you get. Never kick your daddy ever again. You little munchkin. This is what you get. This is what you get, yo. This is what you get. Honestly, I would never be like this in real life. Even if my child kicking me, I would totally not punch him. I would be like, time out, sweetheart, and you cannot go on the computer. Children. Oh wait, no. Guys, do not smack your children in real life if they're mean to you. Even if they are mean to you, please do not smack your children, because you may go in jail for that, and your child could get in a lot of danger, and she could go to the adoption center and get new parents for that. So please do not do anything like that. It's just a role play, but please do it. Yeah, that's true. Just be like, it's my popcorn. Why did you take my popcorn? It was my popcorn and you took it. Like, actually, honestly, not to lie. So basically, yesterday or the day before, I had my popcorn. Then I went to the bathroom, and then my dad, he just went there and he ate all my popcorn, and then whenever I came back, there was seriously like a little bit popcorn, and he was like, that wasn't me, that wasn't me. So yeah. True, if your child eats your sweets, smack them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It was so much to film. So yeah.